have some fun?
Yeah!
Come on, let's go!
Yay!
Hi, it's me, Macy, and today we're going to learn about using your hands in gentle hands. These are gentle, gentle hands, gentle hands. Let's be gentle, let's be gentle, gentle hands, gentle hands. Macy is gentle, Macy is gentle, gentle hands, gentle hands. Let's be gentle, let's be gentle, gentle hands, gentle hands. We can be gentle, we can be gentle, gentle hands, gentle hands. Let's be gentle, let's be gentle, gentle hands, gentle hands. But what does it mean to be gentle? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Are you ready to play? Oh, baby's sad. Wah. She's sad. Uh-oh, baby. Uh-oh, baby, we have to be gentle. Let me show you. Gentle, gentle. Let's sing our song again. We can be gentle, we can be gentle, gentle hands, gentle hands. Let's be gentle, let's be gentle, gentle hands, gentle hands. But what does it mean to be gentle? Baby and Macy are gonna say, I am gentle. I have gentle hands. I am gentle. I have gentle hands. Yay! It makes others happy. Happy when you have gentle hands. Let's be gentle to our mommy and our daddy and any adult or any friend. Let's be gentle. We have a toddler here with us today. Yay! Let's sing gentle. Are you ready? Let's be gentle. Let's be gentle. Gentle hands. Gentle hands. Let's be gentle. Let's be gentle. Gentle hands. Gentle hands. When my little toddler hits, I take his little hand and say, gentle. Can you show baby gentle? Good, gentle. It's okay to be mad. It's okay to be sad. We can tell that we're mad or sad or happy or however we feel by our face. Show me your face. Here's Macy's face. I'm gonna act mad. You can tell I'm mad because my eyebrows are pushed together and my nose is scrunched. That's a mad face. Sometimes people's arms are crossed. Mad. Can you show me a mad face? Let's do a mad face together. Are you ready? Mad. What about sad? What's a sad face? Oh. Sad. Can you help me do sad? You can tell that a face is sad because they're pouting. Someone may even be crying when they're mad or sad. They might be crying because the emotions are so big. It's okay to be mad or sad. Now let's act happy. Happy. You can tell someone's happy because they have a big smile on their face. Happy. Can you act happy? Happy. Here's my happy face. I'm gonna do an emotion, and I want you to tell me what emotion it is. Are you ready? Here's number 1. How do I feel? How do I feel? Oh, I was making a mad face. What about now? What about now? Oh, I'm making a happy face. Happy because I have a big smile. Happy. Some people laugh when they're happy too. Just like that. Okay, here's our last one. Here's number 3. How do I feel? Oh, I'm sad right now. I am pouting. Yep, that was sad. Good job helping me with all of my emotions. Sometimes it's hard when we're mad because it's just such a big emotion when we're mad. But here's a song for you when you're mad to help us know what to do when we're mad. Are you ready? If you're mad and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you're mad and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you're mad and you know it, and your face will really show it. If you're mad and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. Oh, what else can we do? If you're mad and you know it, say, no, no, no. If you're mad and you know it, say, no, no, no. If you're mad and you know it, and your face will really show it. If you're mad and you know it, you can say, no, no, no. Oh, there's something else we could do when we're mad. Let's sing about it. If you're mad and you know it, shake your head. If you're mad and you know it, shake your head. If you're mad and you know it, and your face will really show it. If you're mad and you know it, shake your head. Those are all ways that we can express ourselves when we're mad, because it's okay sometimes to be mad. Good job. Hey parents, check in the bio below, because sometimes it's developmentally appropriate to hit and other times it's not. But you gotta start somewhere with teaching children how to be gentle. So check out in the bio below and check out upcoming videos on different emotions and how we can help with those different emotions and how to be flexible and get back on track. Thanks so much. See you next time.